we do have something really special coming. Should I just spill the beans on this? We have an upcoming collab with, oh lordy, who all is in? I know iJustine is in, MKBHD is in, Snazzy Labs is in, Brett from UFD Tech is in, Kyle's in,
Nice.
Paul, I think, is in. It is going to be, we don't want to get sued by Jeopardy, so it's going to be called Tech Trivia Answered in the Form of a Question. Those guys, to my knowledge, are all locked in. It's going to be an incredible event. 3 rounds, okay? So it's going to be some of the more consumer electronics and Mac folks in a round. Then it's going to be the more like PC hardware-centric folks in a round. We're going to take the 2 winners, and then I join the fray. So it's going to be 3 and 3, and then we take the 2 winners, and then I go against them for the final round. So it's going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be amazing. And this was one of the things that Chase, who was...
You actually calling it that?
Yeah, Tech Trivia Answered in the Form of a Question. That's what the event's called.
That's the title.
We don't want to get sued.
Oh my God.
So I'm absolutely jazzed. This is one of the things that Chase, who was supposed to plan LTX, but there was no LTX, came up with to have a job this year. And we're renting out like a studio that's got like a big video wall. So we're going to have like the questions up on the wall, and we're going to have like virtual presence devices. So people's faces will be like on iPads on like cutouts. I think all the cutouts are going to be me though. So it'll just be like me standing there, but with like Justine's face on it and stuff. It's going to be great, guys.
Very nice.
It's going to be great. I've seen
like TTIAFOAQ. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I've seen the first 2 rounds of questions. I went through them with James. He wanted to do a sanity check with me to make sure that this was like sort of the level of difficulty, the kinds of questions I had in mind. He and I know John, our Tech Quickie writer, they did a great job. These are quality questions. Some of them are easy, some of them are hard, some of them are unexpected, some of them are funny. I haven't seen round 3 obviously because I need to participate, but going through rounds 1 and 2, I'm really excited to play. I'm looking forward to who I'm going to be up against. I'm rooting for Justine. Because I don't know if you remember this, Luke, but when we did our editing challenge, PC versus Mac editing challenge with her, there were a lot of people that were like, oh, Justine, whatever. She doesn't actually know anything. She's just like blonde and takes selfies.
Wrong.
Yeah, yeah, a little bit. You guys got to remember, nobody who is at the top of this game is stupid. Whatever persona, I mean, I've talked about this when we've discussed, remember when PewDiePie was making his living sort of pretending to be scared and shrieking at the camera, and people were like, oh, that guy's an idiot. And I was going, look, I don't watch the content. I don't enjoy the content. I don't care about the content, but don't kid yourself. Anyone who makes it to the top of the game at anything is no dummy. That's just not how that works. So
and she's been killing it forever, and that's been proven time and time again to be a very extremely difficult thing to do.
Yeah,
to stay relevant for so long.
That's right.
Is a big
Try
challenge.
to think of any mainstream celebrity that's been relevant as long as Justine Azaric. Come at me. There are a handful, sure, but they're going to be people like Beyonce, like they're legends.
Yeah.